Hey, what's up everyone? It's Flex and Joe back to review another quick trade for you all. So this trade lasted less than 2 minutes, which is longer than you last. And I made almost $1,000. So really quickly here, I thought I was on 2-minute chart. Turns out I was on the 1-minute chart. I did not have the 15-second chart loaded up at the time of trade. I just have it here to show you all the execution. So I thought I was on the 2-minute chart. Turns out I was on the 1-minute chart. So that could have gone poorly, and I need to address that in my trading, right? Making sure I'm on the right time frame. However, I saw that we were rejecting, we were moving down here, that the bulls were not stepping up after we had made a new low of day and put in this micro higher low, micro higher high. The bulls were fading here, and I wanted to see them base and support here. When they weren't, and this candle started to flip back down, I got in short here at 46. Now I recognize that I was a little bit short. I was a little bit late to this short. So what I did was I de-risked and I took off the first contract for 15 points almost instantly. So the trade executions are right here on the bottom. You can see the entry, 10:58 and 47 seconds. You can see my first exit was 15 seconds later. So in 15 seconds, made $300 a contract. Locked that in. I moved my stop to the break-even side of the trade. So here's where I entered. Here you can see where I locked it in at 50. You can see that my stop would have been here on the break-even side of the trade, and it did not come back up there. As the trade continued to move down, I was inching my stop down. Now, the 2 minute, or sorry, the 1 minute candle here closed, and it closed with just a little bit of a wick here. So I was just being mindful of that, and I wanted to see what was going to happen. As soon as this candle started to push down, and it pushed down pretty heavily on that first 15 seconds of the candle, I moved the stop down to the high of that candle. So you can see the high of this candle is 11.75. That's exactly where I got stopped out. And I wanted to see this candle push and close a little bit lower. But once it turned back green and it had this hammer candle look, I knew it was a good idea to just exit the trade and leave it right then and there. So that's the second execution you see here. 10:58 and 47 seconds to 11 o'clock on the dot and 45 seconds. So just 2 seconds less than a full 2 minutes here for this trade to make a combined total of $999.40. So obviously commissions being a factor there, almost locked in the full 1,000, but $1,000 in less than 2 minutes. Let me know what you guys think about this trade. It was a quick scalp. The market's moving fast, and I'm happy to lock it in. And I will just say too, looking at multiple time frames here, like let's put this on the 5. You know, just seeing here how quickly this barcoded, up and then went right back down. I was expecting more continuation, which we didn't get. And I'm glad that I moved my stop down and locked it in. And sometimes you got to do that. I'm going to be a little bit more protective in this market, as volatile as it is right now, in order to just lock in your profit and protect your capital, protect your risk, protect your account, and live to trade another day, right? So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recap.